Are you trying to find an alternative to unhealthy snacks for yourself and your kids? Well, let's make a healthy corn chaat for snacks today. It's an easy and tasty recipe, so let's get started. Put some frozen corn in a bowl. Add some water and a pinch of salt to it. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes till the corn boils. Meanwhile, finely chop a tomato, onion and green chili. This is the corn that we had put in the microwave and it now looks boiled. So we'll put the chopped onions, tomatoes and chilies into the corn. We'll add some butter to it and sprinkle some black salt or rock salt and some chaat masala from top. This is some homemade dhania chutney. You can also add some imli chutney for that tangy taste. I don't have imli chutney right now, so I'm squeezing some lemon. This will equally give me that tangy taste that I want. And now all you got to do is mix everything really well. And here is your easy, healthy and quick snack of corn chaat ready. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as much as your kids will. So from next time, change that unhealthy snack into something healthy. For more such interesting content, follow and subscribe to Candy Pink Media.